Okay, hello boys and girls. Today we are going to listen to a story. But first, I want to ask you, how are you today? Are you happy? Or sad? Are you sleepy? I'm happy. Now, boys and girls, can you see the book in my hand? It's called Skeleton Hiccups. It's about a skeleton that can't stop hicking up like this. Now, let's start the story. Are you ready? So you need to listen and be quiet. Here we go. Okay. Skeleton woke up. He had the hiccups. Skeleton took a shower. Skeleton brushed his teeth and his mouth flew out. Polished his bones. And guess what? Can't stop hicking up. Ooh, what's this? You said a pumpkin, you're right. Skeleton carved a pumpkin and Skeleton raked some leaves and again Skeleton played with a ghost, boys and girls, and he couldn't stop. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath." Ghost told Skeleton, "Eat some sugar." But did Skeleton stop his hiccups? Not yet. So what happened? He pressed his fingers into his eyes. Don't do that, boys and girls. You'll hurt your eyes. Did it stop his hiccups? No. Look. Skeleton tried to drink some water upside down. Did it stop his hiccups? Nope. Don't try that at home, boys and girls. Ghost made a face. Didn't stop the skeleton's hiccups. So Skeleton said, "Boo!" Did it stop him? No. He still had the but nothing worked, nothing at all. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. What did he do? Let's see. Found a mirror. Held it in front of the skeleton's face, like that. Said the skeleton. And what happened, boys and girls? Did it stop the hiccups? Yeah? No? Let's see. Skeleton screamed. Ah! And the hiccups left. They went away. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hooray! No more hiccups. But then Teacher Tim got the hiccups. The end. Did you like that, boys and girls? Yes? Yeah. Okay, thanks for listening, guys. It's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye.